Good morning, children. Today, class 10th Polynomials Mathematics. We'll start a chapter.
If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, P of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Then sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to minus d by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. This is formula. Now, what will happen if alpha square plus beta square? Did you understand my question? Alpha square plus beta square. So we are deriving formula now. Okay? Alpha square plus beta square. Actually, we don't have this formula. If I add plus 2 alpha beta, then the formula is alpha plus beta whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. So, now what I want? Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So, this is first formula. Okay? Formula 1. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. The same time with alpha cube plus beta. Okay? Now, alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta is equal to formula alpha plus beta whole cube. A plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now, I want only alpha cube plus beta cube. I want only alpha cube plus beta cube. Then alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Okay? Now, by using these three, we'll solve different examples from exercise 3 polynomials. Now, we'll discuss one example. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, P of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 3. Then find the values of different questions and given. Alpha square plus beta square, alpha cube plus beta cube, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, root of alpha beta plus root of beta by alpha, alpha square by beta, beta square by alpha. Okay, like so on. Many questions we can form. These 6 I'll explain now. Now, the given polynomial P of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 3. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 2, C is equal to 3. Sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta, minus B by A, that is alpha plus beta is equal to 2. And the product of the zeros, C by A, alpha beta is equal to 3. Sum of the zeros minus b by a, product of the zeros c by a. Now, what is the first question? Alpha square plus beta square. Just now we discussed the formula. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta, that is 2. minus 2 into alpha beta 3. 4 minus 6. So alpha square plus beta square value is minus 2. Okay. Now my second question. Alpha cube plus beta cube. Formula. Alpha plus beta the cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta, that is nothing but 2. 3 into alpha beta, 3 alpha plus beta 2. 8, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So answer is minus 10. Now the third question. Third question is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Two fractions are there. Whenever you will do two fractions, addition or subtraction, you should go with LCM. Alpha into beta, 1 into beta plus alpha. That is alpha plus beta or beta plus alpha. Both are same. That is 2. 2 by 3. Okay, now my fourth question. What is my fourth question? Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. LCM. Alpha beta. Cross multiplication. Alpha square beta into beta. Beta square. Now numerator is in the form of alpha square plus beta square. Formula alpha beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is 2. 2 into alpha beta 3 by alpha into beta 3. 2 square 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 is minus. Now come to the fifth question. Fifth question is root of alpha by beta. We have one formula, that is root of a by b can be written as root a by root b. We can separate the square root for numerator and denominator. So root alpha by root beta plus root beta by root alpha. LCM root beta into root alpha. Root alpha, root alpha. Alpha, root beta, beta. Beta. Now alpha plus beta we can write by root a into root b can be written as root of a. So 2 by root 3. So root 3 is irrational. Rationalize it. So 2 root 3 by 3. Okay. Now come back to the sixth question. The sixth question is alpha square by beta, beta square by alpha. As usual, alpha beta is the LCM. Alpha square into alpha, alpha cube. Beta square into beta, beta. Now it is a cube plus b cube formula. Alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta by alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is 2 minus 3 into alpha beta 3 into 2 by alpha into beta, alpha into beta 3. 2 cube 8, 3 3s 9, 9 2s are 18. So minus 10 by 2. Like this we can solve different examples including with alpha and beta. Okay. Now we'll discuss one example. That is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, x square minus 5x plus 6, then find a polynomial whose zeros are 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6, then you need to find a polynomial whose zeros are 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. One thing is very clear. Okay? If alpha and beta are the zeros, then the polynomial p of x is equal to formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So what is the polynomial formula? P of x is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, where the zeros are given to you now, 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. That is, alpha is equal to 1 by alpha and beta is equal to 1 by beta. So these are the zeros given. Then p of x is equal to x square minus, instead of alpha he is asking 1 by alpha, instead of beta 1 by beta, 1 by alpha into 1 by beta. So p of x is equal to x square minus alpha into beta, LCM, numerator alpha plus beta into x, 1 ones are 1, alpha into beta. Now, what is alpha plus beta and what is alpha into beta? That's why he gave that one to you, where polynomial is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 6, alpha plus beta minus b by a. So alpha plus beta is equal to 5, alpha into beta c by a, that is 6. Now you need to substitute in this. So p of x is equal to x square, alpha plus beta 5 by 6, 1 by 6. If you take 6 LCM, p of x is equal to 6x square minus 5x, okay, plus 1. Then this is 1 by alpha and 1 by beta are the zeros of the polynomial equation. Okay. Now we will discuss one more example. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, p of x is equal to kx square plus 4x plus 4, and alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24. Then find it. See, when you look at this one, alpha square plus beta square, alpha square plus beta square, formula alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Immediately you should write this formula, alpha square plus beta square, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So what is the equation? P of x is equal to kx square plus 4x plus 4. A is equal to, B is equal to, C is equal to alpha plus beta minus b by a minus 4 by k, alpha into beta c by a 4 by k. Now I am substituting here. So alpha plus beta is minus 4 by k whole square, 2 into alpha into beta 4 by k is equal to 24. Now 4 square, 16 by k square, 2 4s are 8 by k is equal to 24. LCM, k square 16 minus 8k is equal to 24. Now I am doing cross multiplication. 24k square 16 minus 8k. Now I am writing quadratic equation. 24k square plus 8k minus 16 is equal to 0. Here 24, 8 and 16 are multiples of 8. Are multiples of 8. I am taking 8 card. 8 3s are 24. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Is equal to 0. Into 8. Go to that side. 0. Now what is left? 3k square plus k minus 2 is equal to 0. Factorization. 1 2s are here. Factorization. 3 into minus 2. Minus 6. Minus 6 factors. 1 6. 2 3s. But here plus 1 is there. So I am writing plus 2 minus 3. Plus into minus. Minus 2 3s are 6. By product I am getting this and by adding I am getting the middle term. So 3k square plus or minus 3k square minus 3k plus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. 3k common, k minus 1 plus 2 common, k minus 1. So k minus 1 into 3k plus 2 is equal to 0. K minus 1 equal to 0 or 3k plus 2 is equal to 0. So k is equal to plus 1 come, minus 1 come to this side, plus 1 or k is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay.